if I remove this one and put it there as cos of 2x, the y is still here appearing. Can you see that? Yeah. So it's implicit, that one. So we're gonna derive on the left. So I'm putting a black dot there, and I'm also gonna put a black dot there to say it's product. Let's do the left hand side. I stop the x, derive that sign. The sign I must derive the 2y first. Then it's gonna be okay. Anyway, let's just do it as cos of 2y, and then times the derivative of 2y. All right. So it's just going to be 2. Are you okay with that? Yeah. 2 then dy over the dx. All right, let's put that 2y on its own. We say, okay, we've got 2y. Let's say it's a product. Number 1, stop the 2. Then derive y. Then it's dy all over the dx. Then now you stop the y, derive the 2. It's 0 times the y. This is gone. So the derivative of that is 2y dy. That's what I wanted to show. The dy is there. You got it, right? Yeah. So it's going to be times by the 2. But the 2 really I'm going to put it there and say now dy all over the dx. What did I do? We stopped that one. We derived that one. Cool. Then next we say plus. We derive the x. It's just going to be 1. So that means I have sine of 2y when I add it. That's it. Equals to. The other side, derive the y. Oh no, stop it. You'll have to stop, you guys. Stop it. Derive the cos, meaning the sign will change. And then I'll have the 2. Because it's 2x, I'll have 2. Everything changes to sine of 2x. Then plus. Derive the first one, so it's going to be dy all over the dx, and then I will keep the cos of 2x. That's all there is, because there it is, this term here in the green box, and that one in the green box. They've got that thing. Okay, so now what we have here, you know you must take out dy over dx as a common factor. You just put these guys together. Am I right? You know implicit, am I right? I'm gonna let you finish that part. All right, because all you need to do how it was gonna look like. Now we're doing this one. This is the last guy there. All right, it's also implicit. This one, you've got y squared, because you can take a square root, but you don't have to. So which means when I derive that y, it's going to be 2y multiplied by the derivative of the base, meaning dy all over the dx. That's it. Equals to. This one, it's a power rule. So I'm having 4 multiply by sine to the power of 3, and then 2x as the angle, times by the derivative of what's inside. What's inside? I must derive the 2. The 2 will come here and change everything to cos of the very same angle, 2x. Term 1 is done. The next term, I must bring its power rule, then plus the 4. It's going to be cos to the power of 3 of 2x. Then times by the derivative of what's in the bracket, the cos 2x. That means I must switch the sign, use 2, then it becomes sine of the very same angle, 2x, close the parenthesis. Are we together, my friend? And then all you have to do, you're going to have to divide everything by 2y. Do you see that? Yeah. And then that's it.